Hi, I'm Faiz Muhammad Hakim. So, in this chapter, I will explain about explanation text. What is explanation text? Explanation text is a text that describes a process sequentially. The function of this text is to give the information by describing the phenomena, so the readers can imagine how the phenomena happen. And also the explanation text contain explanations about social, natural, or cultural phenomena. Explanation text, the structure. First is title, second is opening statement, third is sequencing, fourth is conclusion, and last is visual. Characteristic of explanation text. First is because this type of writing discusses facts, the tense used is the simple present tense. Second, the use of the action verbs, which are the verbs used to describe an action that is taking place. For the example, do, make, create, and so on. Third, writing in this type of text use specifies which aims to emphasize the focus on the happenings rather than the subject. Fourth is using non-paresis. Five is using technical terms. Technical terms that are the accordance with the contents of the article discussed. And last is using chronological conjunction, such as next, first, then, to begin with, and other. The example of explanation text. Flood. Flooding is a disaster which is commonly happen in large and densely populated cities. In Indonesia, the floods hit Jakarta very often and cause many victims. Then, do you know the process how floods happen? Pay attention to the following explanation. The process of natural flooding is preceded by rain, which fall the surface of the earth. Then the flows and to the lower place. Once that condition happen, evaporation and the water appear to the surface of the land. Flooding can be disastrous for human when floods happen in an area that people live, because water carries along objects like house, bridge, car, furniture, and even people. On the other hand, the process of non-natural flooding is usually caused by a bad habit of humans who do not care about the environment, such as littering that can make water flow clogged. This makes the water deposit in landfills, which gradually becomes more common. When water reservoirs can no longer hold the water discharged, the water then overflows out the land and causes flooding. And that's all for today. Thanks for reading my blog.